All right. Meanwhile, the Karnataka cabinet has been finally expanded after much delay. At least 7 ministers are being sworn in B.S. Yediyurappa's cabinet rejig. The Karnataka chief minister was in Delhi to discuss the cabinet expansion and wanted 8 leaders, including Muni Ratna, to be inducted in the cabinet. But the party high command has snapped BSP and shot down repeated requests to induct Muni Ratna. However, several BJP leaders have stood up in rebellion against the incumbent CM. BJP leaders like Satish Reddy, Chief Minister's political secretary, Renuka Acharya, NLC Vishwanath and others have openly accused Chief Minister of ignoring party loyalists while handpicking ministers. BJP MLA Basanagowda Yatnal even suggested that Yediyurappa retire from politics if he wanted to save the Lingayat community's prestige.
Now we have sent the list to the governor. Mr. Umesh Katti, Arvind Nimbavadi, MTB Nagaraj, Murugesh Nirani, R. Shankar, Yogeshwar, Angara. These 7 persons, they are going to take oath today by 3:30 in the Raj Bhavan. Other thing, our all intelligence will come, we will discuss other things. And we have kept one post vacant. And Nagesh also, we have discussed with him. I will try to convince him.
ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆಗೆ 2 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಜಾಪುರ
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲೇನಿತ್ತು, ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡಿದವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಾ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾದಂಥ ಕೋಟಾ, ಜಾತಿವಾರು ಕೋಟಾ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾವಾರು ಕೋಟಾ. ಈ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವ್ರು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇರಿದೆ, ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ CD ಇಟ್ಟವ್ರೊಂದು ಕೋಟಾ, CD ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೊಂದು ಕೋಟಾ.
ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಕೆಲವು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆನ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 6 ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಕಡೆಗಣಿಸಿದರೆ ನಾನು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕಾಲ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
They are facing some court cases, whatever it may be. But this Yogeshwar, how many criminal cases against him? He's a fraud. Has cheated many in the real estate agency. He's become the minister.
Well, let's listen in to what rebel BJP MLA Satish Reddy spoke on BSY's cabinet expansion.
They should recognize some youth, young leaders of BJP in all over Karnataka. Not only me.
Okay.
So many young leaders are there.
Yes, sir.
3 times, 4 times MLAs have been win.
Yes, sir.
But if you not recognize the youth leaders,
yes,
who have been passed in 2008 already has been ministers.
Yes.
And now again they want to be a minister. When our youth MLAs will be the ministers?
Yes, sir. And also, do you think BSY, Mr. Yediyurappa, has given the post to all his loyalists, people who are loyal to him only then he's given, or not people who are loyal to the party?
No. Only who are loyalty to the Yediyurappa, he has appointed them as a chairman.
Okay.
And he has given so many posts, key posts to them.
Okay. Sir, when will you also bring this to the notice of the High Command? Maybe talk to Mr. Arun Singh or if Amit Shah.
Definitely.
If Amit Shah is coming, maybe you will speak to him, sir?
Definitely, sir. I'll make a letter and I will send to him also, sir.
Fine, sir. Thank you so much.
We are honest BJP workers, sir.
Yes,
Why
sir.
we want to worry?
Yes, sir.
Just honesty, simply it should be in art only or what? We should expect that also, no?
I want to connect right now to my colleague Naga Arjun, who's joining us live with the very latest on this. Naga, what is indeed going on? It's been in the wild, already a lot of murmurs on how the BJP in Karnataka is not happy with the BJP led by B.S. Yediyurappa.
Well, there's Nataka too in Karnataka that will be unfolding in the coming few weeks. Over a dozen, at least, MLAs have spoken out today about how they're disappointed with the way the Chief Minister chose his cabinet colleagues to expand. Basanagowda Yatnal went on to say that people who have blackmailed the Chief Minister with CD and money have been given cabinet berth. It's a very shocking statement and big statement that own party members have made against the sitting Chief Minister, and he has demanded the Chief Minister to retire from politics. So clear outright rebellion against the Chief Minister. Amit Shah is coming to Bangalore on the 16th of January. Most likely these rebel MLAs, or at least the disappointed MLAs, are likely to give a memorandum or at least write a letter to him saying how the Chief Minister have ignored the party members and only accommodated people who are loyal to him in the cabinet.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Naga. We'll come back to you for more updates.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.